Today we are going to make traditional fudge without all the little details of temperature testing and complicated techniques. We are using 2 cups of sugar, a stick of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and a tin of condensed milk. First I'm gonna add the sugar, then adding the stick of butter, and next, last but definitely not least, our tin of condensed milk. The microwave is set on 10 minutes on 100% power and we are adding the mixture for 2 minutes. We are now stirring the mixture really good, and as you can see the butter is really starting to melt, and then we're going to add it to cook for another 2 minutes. While this is cooking, I'm just going to prepare our dish and I'm just going to spray it with some Pam. I am stirring the mixture for the second time, and as you can see the butter is melted now and we can stir it into the mixture. It is ready to go into the microwave for the third time for yet another 2 minutes. This is coming together really well, and it's hot and bubbly, and we're going to repeat the process of stirring and cooking for another 2 minutes. We are repeating the process before I am putting it back for the final 2 minutes. Just for reference, I am using a 5-quart plastic bowl to prevent the mixture from boiling over. I tried glass in the past without good results and it spilled all over. This turned out nicely brown, and while stirring it for the final time, we are adding the teaspoon of vanilla essence, and we are going to keep on stirring it until it looks as if the mixture is breaking, and then we will know that it is ready. After it was stirred really good, the mixture is ready now to be transferred to the glass bowl. As you can see, this is already starting to set, and this is what we want. I am going to leave it now until it is cooled down before I cut it in nice bite-sized little squares. This is nicely cooled down now that we can cut it without it being too hard. The end result looks amazing and tastes absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as our family do.